Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming hardware and account readiness. Check that your iPad model supports Esim and is updated. Once done, get the carrier's Esim QR or activation code. This is required for provisioning. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID and connected to Wi-Fi so the iPad can reach carrier servers. Now open Settings and tap Cellular or Mobile Data. This is the first actionable step. You're about to add a cellular plan, so keep the QR or code handy for scanning or typing. You'll now add the Esim. Tap Add Cellular Plan and point the camera at the carrier QR code, or choose Enter Details manually to type the activation code. After the iPad fetches the plan, follow on-screen prompts to accept terms. This provisions the carrier profile securely. Make sure to label the plan, for example, work or travel, so you can manage it later. Once added, set whether this plan is your default data line or for calls only. These choices determine billing and network priority. Finish by activating the plan, enable cellular data and select the newly added plan as active for data or calls. If you don't see signal, restart the iPad and toggle airplane mode. This forces the modem to reconnect. If service still fails, switch to the other line briefly, then back, which can reset routing. As a last step, contact your carrier and provide the ICSID or activation code. They can push the profile or clear provisioning issues, so your Esim completes activation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.